Welcome to PC.Solutions. In this video, we will introduce the effortless way to view Windows Live Mail files and folders. Let's start by downloading PC.'s Windows Live Mail Converter on our machines. Now, go to the Open tab and see the list, Software Support Many Email Client and File Format. Now, go to the Open tab and choose Windows Live Mail Accounts. If you have Windows Live Mail email client configured on a machine, click on Open Configured Windows Live Mail Data Files. Otherwise, select Choose from a Folder option. As you can see, different folders listed in the software interface on the left. You can hide system folders during conversion. It is done by running the application on a Windows computer and click on Compact option. It also hides subfolders to facilitate the conversion. Now, tap on the Any Windows Live Mail mailbox for the data preview. As you can see, different folders listed in the software interface on the left. Please choose the required Windows Live Mail folder. This way you can preview the Windows Live Mail email message with all the properties and the elements such as email's properties, signature, sender information and more. If you want to see the email attachment, tap on it and choose whether you want to open it or save it. The next important feature provided by the tool is message header. The header information of an email is a valuable source. Using this Windows Live Mail viewer, you can see the email header preview easily. The tool also enables you to see the Hex View of the email. Just tap on the Hex View tab. The solution also provides the view of raw information of the email. Please click on Raw Message option to get the preview. Search option is another important feature of this tool. There are two types of search option available with this software: Quick Search and Advanced Search. But, now we will wrap up the things and explained about these two features in our next video tutorial. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment box. To watch more videos, please subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.